I'd like to introduce you to the latest 5 Series unit that we have launched into the country, which is the ML5 Multi-Lift. The Multi-Lift is an IT-based machine that we developed specifically for the Australian market. An incredibly rewarding and gratifying experience to be part of the team that developed this very, very impressive product that we believe is going to be the flagship machine for McLean in Australia. We have developed with it a cutting-edge control system that basically monitors every single position that the boom takes, every position that the basket takes, and we have made sure that the operator is unable to move this machine into an unsafe state. Any request that the operator makes to the machine that requires it to go into an unsafe state will be denied, and any corrective actions will be enunciated to the operator at the point where he's making that demand. As well as the HMI, we have duplicated the controls from the cab into the basket. So now we can have full control of the machine from the basket. That is tramming, that is steering, that is lift and lower, and the boom processing. You don't need the operator in the cab anymore. We're actually saving on man hours to do the work required on site. Traditionally, an IT only has a single seat. This machine has 2 seats in the cab. You don't need to follow it round with a light vehicle. You can easily put the second operator in the cabin, and they are completely self-sufficient and can go about their work. And the comments that we've received are the visibility from the cabin in this machine is second to none. The boom itself raises and lowers, and also slews from side to side up to 30 degrees, which gives you coverage in a 6-meter drive, full coverage from the basket. The basket also counter slews to compensate for the boom slew. So you are always square to the face, or you are always square to the side of the drive. The other advantage of this approach is that the machine can always be central in the drive. So you can keep the ML5 away from gutters, washaways, runoffs. On a level ground, we can tram up to 40 kilometers with this machine. Day-to-day work, you should see very little requirement on level ground to do a recharge during a shift. We have chosen to launch this machine in a battery electric configuration. Now, the advantages that provides are that with a battery, you're not pumping diesel fumes into the drive where the operators are working. The machine will be whisper quiet to operate, so you'll be able to talk in the same level that we're talking now. We have 2 charging strategies for this machine. On this ML5, we have 50 kilowatts of onboard charging that plugs directly into your 1000-volt electrical network underground. We also have the option to go to 100 kilowatts onboard charging, which would charge the machine in under an hour, from dead flat to fully charged. And we also have a CCS2 offboard charger at 200 kilowatts, which would charge the machine fully in 35 to 40 minutes. We've received genuine inquiries for this machine from surface drilling operators and small underground electrical contractors. The market for this machine is unexplored at this stage. We think it will be a lot bigger than just underground mines, and we are already hearing very positive noises from different industries about some of the applications that it could be used for.